friends, in this lab we will explore Google Cloud Storage. So let's quickly log in and open the link in new incognito window. So in this lab we have total 3 tasks to complete. First one is to create a bucket, and then we will be uploading an image into our bucket, and then we will make that object publicly available to everyone. So let's go to the first task. Let's copy our project ID, copy this project ID, and then on Google Cloud, scroll a bit on navigation menu and go to cloud storage. Here is the cloud storage. Click here and then click on create bucket. Click on create bucket. Then paste your project ID in the name of the bucket. Scroll a bit and select fine grain control and then click on create button. So with this, our bucket is now created. Let's check this progress. And now we need to upload kitten.png. So go to that section, upload an object into the bucket and download this image and rename it to kitten.png. And now we can upload this image in two ways. First we can click on the upload files button and select that file, or we can also drag and drop that image here. So let's click on upload files and select that kitten.png and upload it. So now this object is uploaded, and let's check second progress. Yeah, it's done. And now we need to share the kitten.png object publicly. So for this, let's go to the permissions tab. Got it. And if in case here you will let me show you. So first I will prevent the public access. Then if you are getting this remove public access prevention, then click on it and confirm. It should finally appear like this. And then come here and add a new member. And here type all. Then select all users. And in the role, okay, let's go to that section. So we need to choose this role. So copy this and paste here. Storage object viewer, and then click here and then save and allow public access. And let's check this progress. So it's done. So with this, our lab is now completed. So thank you so much.